Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon, K2. Hi, Kapao, Nitra. And who is this? Shane. Good afternoon. Hello again. Welcome back.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon. You finished your lunch already? Good afternoon, Nitra, Kapao, and Shane.
Kapaoก่อน Good afternoon ก่อน
Good afternoon. You have to say good afternoon to each other. Good afternoon, Ka.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, very good, Kapao. Good afternoon, Kapao, Icha, and Shane. Okay.
ดูที่เชื่อก่อน
So have you finished your lunch already? You finished your lunch?
ก็ถามกินข้าวหรือยัง
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Okay. Okay, so you have to choose to eat. You have to choose to eat healthy foods, okay? You have to eat healthy food, so you will become more stronger and smarter when you will choose to eat healthy foods, okay? Don't forget to eat vegetables, fruits, okay? You take your vitamins, okay? Okay, so we have here Kapao, Nitra, and Shane. Okay, are you ready for our math? Are you ready for our math?
Yeah. Boom.
Yes. Are you ready for our math?
Yeah. Boom.
Okay. Hip, hip.
Hooray.
Hip, hip.
Hooray.
Okay, make it like that. Yeah, boom. Like that, because you're very strong and very smart. This sign is very strong and very smart. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Excuse
Okay.
me, teacher.
Okay, yeah, boom, come on, Shane. Yeah, boom.
Boom.
Okay. Hip, hip. Hooray.
Hooray.
Hip, hip.
Hooray.
Hooray. Okay. So I think we are all very ready now. So now let's go and continue. I prepared this one for you. For our math for today is, okay. I think this one as a review because you have to. Okay, welcome to our math class. Okay, so you need to practice
Excuse me, please.
and writing to hundreds. Okay, practice.
Teacher. Excuse me, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This subject is mathematics.
Math, yes.
But
Math subject, yes, sir.
her schedule is art and music.
Huh?
Yes.
Art and music?
Yes, art and music.
No. For the in the schedule? In your schedule, huh?
Yes. Master Attapon.
Oh, no. Okay, well informed. Really?
Yes.
In my schedule, math, K2. But in your schedule there, that you put is art and music?
Yes.
And another teacher, right?
Yes, another teacher, Master Attapon.
I need to inform this to them. Okay, I need to inform this to them. But no, there is no teacher. Supposed to be if there is another teacher, they will sign in this account. But there is no other. I will inform this to them. So they can check this one. Okay. I will inform this to them, to the staff, to the school staff. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this one is art and music. If there is a teacher, will it and sign in here at any time. Maybe they are aware, but now I don't know why only why like that. I will inform Ka, okay?
Oh, okay. Study math.
Okay, Ka. Let us continue first. Maybe next week they will change this one or next time. Okay. So let us start now. Let us continue with our math first. Okay, practice counting and writing 200s, okay? So because not all, you are all very good in counting already, K2, but not all of you can count. So you need to keep practice all K2, okay? Practice counting up to 100. Okay, let us listen to this one first and sing along with this song. familiar with the numbers? Very, very well. So let's go to this one now. Okay, I will go to this. Okay, let's go to this one. Where is it?
4 planes become 8.
Sharing. Okay, just a minute. Let us. Okay, just a minute. I want to accept. Okay, just a minute. What happened? Stop sharing. That cannot go because of this.
Become 10. 6 cows become 12. And
Okay. Okay, just a minute. What happened to this? And show. Okay, for a while. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now here we go. Okay, let us continue. Let us fill in this missing number, okay? I think you can answer this one very fast already because you know this one. I think Teacher Shane and Kapau. Okay, you have to answer this one. You help me fill in this, okay, number, okay? Fill in the missing number. Okay, Shane? Shane, Nisha, and Kapau. Okay, look at here, Shane. Help me fill in the number. Okay, all of you kids, you have to practice counting from 1 up to 100, okay? Okay, Shane, help me answer this one. Okay, 1.
One.
Yes?
Two.
Okay. 2. Next number is? Okay, 3. 4.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
7.
8,
8.
11, 12,
ที่มันหาย
14,
Next one is?
เอา13ก่อน
15,
Okay, then 16.
16,
19. Very good. Then 20. 23.
24, 25, 26, 27,
Very good.
28, 29, 30,
Very good.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69,
Numbers already. From 1 up to 100. You are very good. So, okay, too, you need to practice. Practice.
หาย6หาย7หาย8หาย9
Wait, counting the numbers, okay? Okay, now let's go to counting by 5. Okay, let's go to counting by 5. Okay?
2หาย13
5.
16หาย
Are you ready?
17 19หาย counting by 5
Okay, five. Okay, ready? Go. 5. แล้วก็พยายามออกกับเรา
15
Okay. 20. ใช้นกกระเทียบ counting by 5 now.
จำไม่ค่อยได้
Okay,
เล่น
here.
โรงเรียนแล้วหนูจำไม่ค่อยได้เลย
Okay.
20
Next.
25
Yeah.
25
Next.
30
Next.
35
Very good.
40
40.
45
Very good. You have to memorize 25.
จำไม่ค่อยได้หรอก
75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, that's counting by 5. Again, counting by 5. Are you ready? Ready? Counting by 5. Okay. Ready? Nisha, Shane, and Kapal. Look at here, Kapal. Okay. Counting by 5.
10, 20, 55, 15, 20, 26, 25, 30, 35, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 55, 60, 65, 65, 70, 75,
Okay, you also have to practice counting by fives. Okay, you also have to practice counting by fives. Okay, counting by 10 sound. Okay, look at the arrow. Look at my arrow now. You're now counting by 10 sound. Icha. How? Counting by 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That is counting by tens, okay? Counting by 10. Are you ready? Are you ready? Counting by 10. Okay. You have to follow again. Teacher, again. Look here. Again. 10.
อีกครั้งหนึ่ง
Hello.
นี่คือตาใคร
Hello.
ใครขอทำบ้างน้องจาหันหน้าใครของนางว่างหน้าเราบ้างกระเพรา
Naman kapaw. 10. Kapaw. Katien. 10. Kapaw. Okay, kapaw. Let's say, Katien. 10. 20. Look at my arrow, kapaw. 10.
เรียกกระเพรา
Okay, look at here. 10, 20.
เรียกนาง
30, kapaw. Are you listening, kapaw? Okay, kapaw.
พี่เชียวบอกว่าไม่ฟังพี่เชียว
Okay, you have to practice counting. Kapaw, look at here. Kapaw.
เชียวบนกระเพรา
Look at here, kapaw. Counting by 10. You can count kapaw by counting by 10. 10, 20,
20
yes, 30,
34
40,
40 50
50,
70 80 90 100
yes, very good, kapaw. Okay, you don't know how to count? Counting by 5. Okay, all K2 to those who did not attend the Zoom class. And if you can watch this video, you have to practice counting by 5s and counting by 10s. That is very important, okay? You need to familiar how to counting by 5s and counting by 10s. So it's easy to write all the numbers, okay? So again, Kapaw, look at here, Kapaw. Let us do this again. All of you, Shane, Kapaw, and Nika. Check again, okay? Counting by 5. Are you ready? Kapaw, listen first. Okay, Kapaw, listen first. Okay, counting by 5. Are you ready? 5. Okay, ready? 5.
25.
Teacher.
30. 35. 40. 45. 45. 50. 55. 60. 55. 70. 75. 80. 95.
Yes, you are very good. Okay, Kapaw, look at here. Look at my arrow. Kapaw, look at here. Okay, 5. Come on, start. Kapaw. Okay, 5.
5, 10, 25,
15. Okay, 20. 55. This one. 30. Very good. This one. 30. 35.
40,
Very good.
45,
Yes.
50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100.
Very good. Shane. Come on, Shane. Okay, Shane. Okay, Shane. Look at my arrow. 5. Start.
10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 50,
50.
55, 60, 65, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100.
Yes, very good, Shane. Very good. Come on, Nicha. Counting by 5. Okay, look at my arrow. Ready? Start. 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 50,
40.
40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100.
Okay, you are all very good. Yay! You are so smart, okay? So, Kapaw, Kensai, Kapaw, Nitra and Shane, you finished counting and you are very good in counting by 5s and 10s. So you are all very good. I am always proud of you. So for all K2, you have to practice counting, okay? Practice counting from 1 up to 100. And then you will go to counting by 5s and counting by 10s. Because when we will go on site, you will count by 5s and by 10s, one by one. Okay, so you need to practice K2, counting by 5s and counting by 10s. Okay, so this is all for today, K2, and I am so happy and very proud of you, and see you again tomorrow. So bye-bye for now, Shane, Nicha, and Kaphao. Thank you more, and then bye-bye. See you again tomorrow. Okay, Kaphao, Shane, Nicha. Okay, thank you, Ka. Thank you. So this is all for today. Bye for now. Thank you.